Hello everyone, welcome to the Stand with Maths YouTube channel. This is the Sri Lankan first Olympiad Maths channel. So here I choose this like question. Let's read this one. Given a minus b is equal to 2, b minus c is equal to 4. Find a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus AC. First of all, I write the data that given. Again, I can write a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ac is equal to a squared minus b squared. I can take a. Again, I write a into a minus b plus I take b from the b squared minus bc. So we can write plus b into b minus c. Also, I can write c squared minus ac. So I arrange like this: c minus c into a minus c. Again, I can write by the given data we substitute a into 2 plus b into 4 minus c into 6. So again I can write 2a plus 4b minus 6b. Again I take like this: 2a and 2 minus 2c. I can write 2 into a minus c plus again 4b and minus 4c. I can write plus 4 into b minus c. Again I know a minus c is equal to 6 and b minus c is equal to 4. I can write again 2 into 6 plus 4 into 4. 12 plus 16 is equal to 28. So final answer is 28. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and stay tuned with for more Olympiad math videos. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.